I, Jacob, take you, Destiny,
to be my lawfully wedded wife.
to be my lawfully wedded wife.
I promise to stay by your side
I promise to stay by your side
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
in tears and in laughter.
in tears and in laughter.
I promise to love you without reservation
I promise to love you
Without
without reservation
or hesitation. We'll say that one too.
I found grace in winter's day when sun broke through to warm my face, and I watched the birds leave without worry. They know the spring will come one morning.
I knew from the first time I saw you, there was something different, something special. How crazy our time together would be, I had no idea.
From the moment our paths crossed at 16 years old, you surprised me, distracted me, captivated me, and challenged me in a way that no other human being has.
Love is alive in every moment of life if you choose to see it's there. Whatever life brings, let these little things bring you some peace this year.
We've been through so much already and at such a young age. Just imagine what the future has in store. But I know with you, we will get through anything. You are my light, my inspiration, my biggest pain in the ass. But today, I am blessed to call you my ever-loving wife.
I want to thank you for being my biggest supporter and never turning your back on me. Every second you stand by my side. And most of all, thank you for showing me what true love and happiness has to offer.
You're so cute.
I, Destiny, take you, Jacob,
To be my lawfully wedded husband.
to be my lawfully wedded husband.
I promise to stay by your side
I promise to stay by your side
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
in tears and in laughter.
in tears and in laughter.
I promise to love you without reservation
I promise to love you without reservation.
Love is alive in every moment of life if you choose to see it's there. As the world tumbles on, know you belong, and I will always be there.
Comfort you in times of distress.
Comfort you. Comfort you without times of distress.
You got it, buddy. You're all right. Encourage you to achieve all of your goals.
Encourage you to achieve all your goals.
I will be thinking of you.
Destiny and I cried our way through nursing school, and I hope we don't cry our way through our marriages together. These two have been through a lot together in the 6 years that they've been together, and it's amazing that they worked through everything that they have, and now they're married. I'm so proud, and I'm honored to be a part of your wedding. I just want you to celebrate tonight and make it most of what it is because it's so perfect, and I wish the best for you in the years to come.
Love is alive in every moment of life if you choose to see it's there.
Comfort you in times of distress.
Comfort you in times of distress.
Encourage you to achieve all of your goals.
Encourage you to achieve all of your goals.
I promise always to be open and honest with you
I promise to always be open and honest with you
and cherish you for as long as we both shall live.
and cherish you for as long as we both shall live.
Know you belong, and I will always be there. Let these little things bring you some peace this year.
Now to finish it up, because you're probably crying like a baby, I will love you for the rest of my life, and nothing can ever change that. Love, Jake.
By the authority vested in me through the state of Indiana, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Jacob, she's no longer your bride. You can kiss your wife.
Many are the roads, many are the nights with troubles all around me, pushing at me from every side. But in your arms I find my way.
I've known Billman for since freshman year of high school, and since then we've had some great times. Times like playing Call of Duty till about 2 a.m. every night of sophomore year of high school. You guys are perfect together, you know, and I envy that. I just hope the best for you guys and everything.
I want you to know that I take you, and only you, to be my best friend, my faithful partner, and one true love. I love you more than words could ever explain. Love always and forever. Your bride.
Talking, and that's because life pulls us in all different directions, but whenever we're together, we pick right back up where we left off. She's like the sister I've never had. And Jake, what have you got yourself into? I hope you're ready for this firecracker, because she may explode at times, but that's when she lights up your world and shows you the beauty in the darkness.